Hey guys, so today's day 2 of my little trip, and yesterday I was gonna vlog, right? I was gonna vlog, but then I just got really lazy and I just ended up not vlogging. But
you look so dumb right now.
it was really fun actually. I had a good time and I actually posted on Instagram. So go look it up. My Insta's right here. So today we're gonna go to Knott's, which I'm really excited about. We got a hotel that's like super close from like Knott's. Like I can see it through the window. I'll show you. But it's literally right here. Like those are all the rides. So I think we're just gonna walk it from the hotel, right? We're walking it.
I saw a ride working.
So that's the ride. I want to go on that one. In that one right there. I don't know. I just want to go on all of the roller coasters. I feel like it's gonna be really fun. Are you excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna see all the Edgars today. They're gonna be pulling up like this.
Who do you love?
That's literally how they're gonna be pulling up.
Bitch, who do you love?
The homestead. Oh, this bed is so like springy. Like you can literally feel the springs in it. It was not comfortable, but I still slept. I'll try to vlog as much as I can today because I get really shy just like putting on my camera and be like, hey guys, you know. So I'll say how to look.
Yes, or
¿Qué dijo?
luckily it's not gonna be as hot today.
I know yesterday it was so hot. It was up to like the 90s. It was like 90s, like 95 yesterday. It was so hot. I was literally sweating so bad. Like it was not okay. It was so hot. So I feel like today, since it's gonna be 84, like a whole 10 degrees colder, that we're gonna be like, hey, this is nothing, you know. So hopefully it's like that. Hopefully I'm not mistaken. I guess my brother wants to make an appearance in the video. So. There you go.
I'm dead at her.
We're gonna leave like in not in a few, but like in a maybe half an hour. But I'm already ready because I took a long time to get ready. Check.
Bodysuit from Forever 21.
Mm-hmm.
Jeans from Fashion Nova.
Her.
Shoes from Shoe Palace.
Here.
And purse from Tilly's.
And here's my fit. I have LA hat from, I don't even know, a little white like halter top. Wait, no, not halter top. Yeah, halter top? Halter top. And then from Tilly's, no, it's not halter.
That's not a halter.
It's like muscle tee? No, I don't even know. But it's like this style from Tilly's. These hoops from Tilly's. Shorts from Old Navy. And then, hold on. And then my shoes are Dunks with little like ruffly socks from Brandy. And that's my fit. It's a pretty basic fit, but it's really cute. So I'm not complaining. No, I haven't been here in a while. I'm so excited. Hey yo, we made it, check. We made it or not. It wasn't that far of a walk. It was probably like 5 minutes that we did have to walk. But other than that, it was doable, you know. Game plan.
The game plan.
The game plan.
And then we're going to
The Great Reset.
Great Reset. My dad has been watching too much Ryan Trahan. Although, love his videos, right? His videos. This roller coaster right here was my like first ever roller coaster. It's right here. I think we're gonna ride it first. Yeah, I think we are.
That's right.
Slay. Let's go. Okay, finally made it. Hey, yo, where the Edgar's at? Do your Edgar walk.
No.
Go. Yay. We have yet to see any Edgars. We're gonna go to the little log ride. But yeah. The little log ride that they have here. But yeah. What'd you think of the little roller coaster? It was fun. Yeah? I liked it. It was like a good warm-up ride for like the other ones to come. How'd you like the ride, Edgar?
That's good.
Well, what would you rate it?
Like a 9, I guess.
9? Yeah. That's gonna be us right now. This is my mother. Hello. The woman she gave birth to me. Do we look alike? Look how wet this got.
In about like 42 hours. And where it goes like, oh hell, I need 2 days off.
Update. I'm sitting on the floor. We're waiting for Calico Mines. It's so hot and I'm so tired. We're all tired. Oh, it's here. Oh my god, we got a cookie witch. That's so good. We're eating right now. She's eating her sandwich. Is it good? I'm eating Panda. And I also bought this like drink. I bought this drink. I'm already done with it. It was okay. I thought it was gonna be better. I wanted the lemonade, but there was none. After this, I think we're gonna ride Silver Bullet, and then while my parents wait on Ghost Rider, and then after that we're gonna head to Ghost Rider, and then we're gonna go. But we rode the Little Pony Express, and then we rode the water ride, the Calico Rapids or something like that, and then the mine, and then what else did we ride? Oh, and then the one that we run at the beginning. So 4 rides. Or 5. 5 or 4 rides in total. And we've been here for like hours. We've been having to wait on the lines. So. It said on the wait time that it was like an hour, and we've been here for like 10 minutes. It's lying to us. Okay, back with the voiceover because I forgot to record after this. So basically after that we went to go make a line for Ghost Rider, and it was so long. We got in there like I want to say like at 7, and we got out like at 9, literally when it was about to close. But we were waiting in line, And here's her picture. I'm not going to be showing Yasmin's face because I know she's going to kill me when she watches this video if I show her face. So I'm not going to. But here's me and my brother. My brother wanted to go on this ride so bad and he got scared. After that, we were just kind of like chilled around and watched like the entertainment that they had. And I took these really like pretty pictures of Knott's. So like here's the Calico like little ride. And then hang time. I didn't get to ride hang time because the line, it was really long and I knew that it wasn't gonna like go down like the line, the wait. And my parents wanted to go home already, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna ride it like another time. But after that, we kind of just left and went home. Not home, we went to the hotel again. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys stuck around for the end. If you didn't, you're fake. Just kidding, you're not fake. But I hope you guys like this video. Hopefully it wasn't boring or anything. Maybe because I talk too much, but that's besides the point. Anyways, make sure to subscribe and comment and like and just, you know, do all that stuff. I think your brain is you already know, like, the deal. So, I'll see you guys next Wednesday. I think I'll be posting every Wednesday now until school starts because it just seems easier to me. Like, I feel like Wednesday is just like a good day to post in the summer. When school starts, I don't know when I'm gonna post, but for now, every Wednesday. Okay, bye guys.